Hello and welcome to today's video for Introduction to Programming. Today we are going to be covering VSCode, which is an IDE, an integrated development environment for a lot of different kinds of programming. So the way that it works is you can basically create any kind of project as long as it's supported by certain plugins. So I'm going to show you where you install it. For starters, you're going to go to code.visualstudio.com and you can download for Windows. There's other versions as well for Mac and Linux, but we're just going to have the Windows one because we are on Windows, obviously. So I've already installed it. This will take you a bit of time. Once you have it installed, just open it up, and here is the Visual Studio Code editor. So here I have a project open, but if I didn't have one open, if I didn't have one open, I could click open, and then I can go to whichever directory I want, or in fact create a new folder. And so let's say I want to use a pre-existing project. So Miranaut Netagon, it's a game I've worked on, and if I just want to run this, I have a few plugins for it. So you can actually get various plugins in the extensions tab. So extensions is probably the better word for it. Here you can search for all sorts of things that can help you with developing things. There are things for running your server, as well as, being able to change the way your code looks. So there are just formatters that change the presence of code, and then certain ones that change the coloring. And you can see I have my very own custom one. And so with that extension that I mentioned earlier, the live server, I can run very simple HTML documents on my localhost. And so once I do that, I've started the HTML for it, and it includes all of the backend as well. We can see the app.js, style.css, and the separate folders. They all exist within here. And so I can actually show my project a little here. It's a really simple project, but you can run a lot of different things using VS Code. And it's just a really useful tool for running different programs and projects. So I recommend you use it for your next project, as it's really easy to pick up, there's not much to it, and it's very intuitive. Alright, thanks for watching.